DIY Patio Makeover Part 1, The Chair. There is beauty behind the rust. MsSassyPat. I'm taking these busted chairs and making them into something beautiful. The chair. So I've had these chairs for 5 years and they've been sitting, resting. They have bird poop all over them and green stuff. Items needed: paper towels, cleaner, spray paint and gloves, and a plastic covering. Let's get clean. Putting on gloves, taking the paper towels and spraying it with the bleach cleaner. I'm just working this around the chair, cleaning any dirt, bird poop, green stuff off the chair. And this is how the chairs look, all clean. Now I'm taking a putty knife and I'm going to lift any loose paint from the chair. Then I'm taking my brush and doing the same thing, just going all around the chair. Taking the putty knife to the bottom of the chair, removing any loose paint, and brushing as well. Clean up, clean up. I'm just sweeping the patio of any of the loose paint chips that came off the chair. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take the plastic covering and place it on the patio, and I'm using the magazines to hold down the plastic. And I'm going to take my spray paint. Let's make me beautiful, let's paint. So I'm checking up the spray paint, and now I'm going to start spraying the chair. It's such a pretty color. It's ink blue. So I'm just going to work the spray paint all around the chair. I did let it dry 45 minutes between each coat. That's what it looks from behind. So pretty. So now I'm going to do the table. I'm going to do it in a metallic silver. And just bring the table. I should have used a mask, but I didn't. So there you go. What's old is made new again. And this is the completed look. It's so pretty. So before you throw out those old patio chairs, all you need is some spray paint. So pretty. In the next episode, I will show you how to make your own floral arrangement out of dollar store flowers. So what do you think? I love it. On the next episode, DIY Patio Makeover Part 2. I'll be bringing new life to the 2 chairs and the table. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my very next video.
MsSassyPat. Well, you make your hair look good, get your makeup right, dressing nice, alright. She got expo light, cook tonight, she might save your life, alright. Maybe you should tune in. Maybe you should tune in. Life hack, she got nice wigs, she got good skin, she got good hair. SassyPat, yeah, it's all there. Maybe you